How to handle lost or delayed baggage with Aegean Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can handle lost or delayed baggage with Aegean Airlines. So if you find yourself dealing with lost or delayed baggage while flying with Aegean Airlines, there are ways to go about it. The first step and the major thing to do would be to report the issue. Yes, to report the issue. And how do you do so? Log in into your Aegean Airlines account, and then once you've done that, move to the top part of the screen and click on Help and Contacts. So after clicking on the Help and Contact option, you'll be taken to the Help Center. On this page, you can now see different options. All right, you can see the option, what should I do if my baggage is delayed or lost? Just select it, and then you can see our other option, which is how to report delayed baggage. How is your baggage delivered? So just select how to report the delayed baggage, because you are trying to delay your baggage. So you can see if you have declared your phone number, just go ahead and fill in all of this. But if it's still not helpful, the major thing you should do next is to go to the help and set and contact page again, and then scroll down to the last part of the screen where you can see the email contact us. Do not select compliment or suggest, since you are trying to lodge a complaint. Instead, click on the email and then click on contact us. So after clicking on contact us, you'll be taken to the contact us page. So on this page, you would have to send in your request. And in this stage or this point is about your delayed or lost baggage, and then go ahead and lodge out your complaint. After typing the subject of the message, which is your baggage was lost, and then type in the body of the message. Select if you would like to receive a response. Of course, you would like to receive a response. Fill in the not a robot capture, and then click on submit. And then your question will be sent, and your consent will be sent to the customer service of Aegean Airlines. And then once it's reviewed, answers will be given to you, and then you'll be directed on what to do. So this is how you can go about it. And another effective way to do it is by making calls. All right. And how do you make calls? The same page, scroll down, and then you can see contact numbers. And this is the contact number. Just copy this, call this number, lodge your complaint, and then you'll be directed on what to do. So this is how you can recover your or delayed baggage with Aegean Airlines. Yeah. Thank you and have a good time.